Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you one of the last fall DIYs. I think I have 2 more coming your way, and then we are moving on to Christmas. So I will be making $2 Dollar Tree DIYs, and the first one, you will need some of these harvest signs, the galvanized lettering, then a pumpkin shape, and then I have this material that I got left over from other projects. I made some pillows out of it, and then I also have a bow from a different project, and then brown acrylic paint, but I'm all out of brown acrylic paint, so I'm just going to use the cocoa chalk paint. So first thing you want to do is you want to just get rid of some of this glittery stuff, and the way to do that is to give it a light sanding. And then you need hot glue or Mod Podge, up to you. I'm gonna use hot glue. So I also want to mention that this video is part of a fall DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul over at Heidi Sonboul's DIY. So if you are not familiar with Heidi's channel, make sure you go check it out. She does wonderful DIYs, hosts tons of different challenges, and I love her Friends Fridays. I will have her channel linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge. So make sure you check out both once you are finished watching my video. And also, she also has a Heidi Sonboul home where she does a lot of decorating videos, so you might want to check that out as well. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this. Oh, actually, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove this rope, and now I'm going to take this material and just glue it on. So I'm going to put hot glue all around, and this is the one place where you could use the Mod Podge or tacky glue if you wanted to. If you're using hot glue, you've got to move fairly fast. And cut it out. This is when I feel that if I had one of those rolling cutting things, would be good. I'm just going to add a touch more glue just to make it a little bit tighter, because here it didn't really do a good job. Cut out this flap, and now I'm going to paint this part. And now I am going to add this lettering right there, and I'm just going to do quick strips of glue, but there. Oh, pull it a little bit here too. And then I'm going to add my ribbon, and I'm just going to shorten these a little bit. I'm going to add it right here. And I think I'm going to just add a little leaf. I think maybe right here like that. And I'm gonna put some glue back and forth. There. That is it. Very simple, very inexpensive, and a very farmhousey in my opinion. Let me know what you think down in a comment. Project, you need, oh my goodness, focus, foam board. I'm going to use some chalk paint wax in any Sloan in black. You will also need again one of these letters, and then you will need craft knife and an old rag and a pencil. I am going to freehand the pumpkin. I'm gonna try anyways on here before I cut it out. That's why I'm using a pencil. There we go. So I'm going to cut this out now. And I'm cutting it on this table just because I will be getting rid of this tablecloth that I have underneath. I'm going to be getting a new one. I also forgot to mention I will use that brown paint again for the stem. So I'm going to cut this off because I'm going to need it. Okay, so now that I have it all trimmed up, so now that I have it cut out, I'm going to glue it on. And I'm just going to lift up and add glue. And the reason why I'm doing it like this is because it will give me more dimension. Hopefully it won't melt the pumpkin, the foam. I did a similar pumpkin a while back with just some cardstock, and I thought that was pretty neat as well. Now, like I said, I like the different heights that this had given me a little bit. Almost like a real dimensional effect. going to paint this first. And you want to paint the sides too. And now for the lines on the around, just to make it stand out a little bit more, I'm going to use some of the black wax. Going to just make some lines like this as well. Now I'm going to also add some of the dark wax onto the stem, just to give it a little bit more color or dimension. Okay, and now for, if you make a mistake with I'm gonna actually just show you a little bit how to do that. So you can take your acrylic or your chalk paint and a brush and just dip it in and take as much off as possible, and then you can just soften it up a little bit with the white paint if you don't like certain areas. And now I'm going to add my galvanized letters just right there. You can also add some ribbon if you like, but I'm gonna keep it just as is. So here it is, they're all finished. I love the way they turned out. I think they're a great addition to any farmhouse decor. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you press that subscribe button. And if this is your first time stopping by, I also have two other channels besides this one. One's home and one's for cooking. So if that's something that interests you as well, head on over to the description box and the links are down below. And also in the description box you will find Heidi's channel as well as the playlist, so make sure you check out both of those when you are finished watching my video. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.